I made a pro logo in 5 minutes with ChatGPT. 5 minutes. No designer. Stop making logos that scream cheap. I just made this in under 5 minutes with ChatGPT. Let me show you how. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 professional logo ideas, colors, fonts, and styles ready to use. Plus, how to get it printed so it actually turns heads in real life. First, open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 unique logo ideas for a modern coffee shop that focuses on eco-friendly, locally sourced beans." Boom! Instant directions for shapes, colors, and vibe. This is like having a designer's brain on demand. Get style-specific so your logo feels intentional. Try, suggest logo ideas in a clean, minimalist style using only black and white. Or suggest a vintage-style logo for a motorcycle repair shop. Or suggest a colorful cartoon-style logo for a kid's bookstore. This keeps your brand from looking random. Colors talk. Ask ChatGPT. Suggest a 2-color palette for a tech startup that wants to look trustworthy and innovative. Now you're not just picking pretty colors, you're designing for emotion. Fonts have personalities. Prompt. Suggest 5 modern sans serif fonts and 5 elegant serif fonts that work well for both print and digital. Pick a font that matches your tone, not just what looks trendy this week. Look at this transformation. From plain text to a polished logo you'd actually be proud to show clients. And we still have 2 minutes left. Before finalizing, see your logo in the real world. Ask ChatGPT. List 5 realistic mock-up ideas for showcasing my bakery logo on packaging, menus, and storefront signs. You'll catch layout or color issues before spending a cent. Save in 3 formats: PNG transparent for web, SVG or PDF vector for print, and JPEG for quick sharing. Label them clearly so you're not digging through final logo in 6 months. Last step. Printing secrets. Choose CMYK color mode for print accuracy. Leave RGB for screens. Pick the right material. Glossy for bold colors, matte for a premium feel. Specialty finishes like foil or embossing for impact. If you want your logo to turn heads in real life, don't gamble on cheap online printers. We can help you print your materials perfectly the first time by providing proofs and making necessary adjustments. Call us today at 856-429-0715.